We're at 3976 Inglewood Boulevard. We're inspecting the main sewer line through a 3-inch, I believe, cast iron cleaner that's located in front of the building. Pull the camera very slowly out. You're gonna see a crack. I'm gonna go back in. We're gonna push the camera back in, and we're gonna stop right here. Yeah, oof, that's perfect. There's a crack on the right side of the pipe. That's a clay pipe. Okay, and we also have roots in that pipe. We have a lot of roots in that clay on the left side, as you can see. So we managed to locate all this, the clay pipe. We have a separation and a crack on that joint. Okay, we have a big separation. This is all clay pipe. This is in the back in the parking lot. We've already located it. We know exactly where it is. We've marked it off. We're pulling the camera back. Clay still. And soon we're going to make the transition to cast iron pipe. Now the problem with the cast is we can't see it because it's flat. It doesn't have the correct slope. Still clay, and now we're in cast. This is what I mean. We cannot see because of all the water flow and not the right slope. We can't see the entire pipe. So as of now, all we've seen clearly is that crack and that separation, which is in the back parking lot. This is all cast. This is very corroded. Very corroded. I mean, there's a lot of buildup in it, a lot of corrosion in that pipe. ¿Ya se fue?
Sí.
Sí lo va a hacer, ¿no?
Vamos a dar la aseguranza primero. Si la aseguranza lo cubre. Todo lo que tenga que hacer el asfalto y eso.
Sí. Sí. ¿Qué pasó Santa Mónica?
¿Dónde?
De la que estaba liberada, 10 pies para abajo.
Oh, no quieren hacer.
¿No quieren hacer?
Hasta que se joda bien todo.
Ah,
Así. Venimos, hacemos una parte ahí. Mientras el agua siga corriendo, está bien.
We have approximately 20 feet to go, 22 feet to go. We're almost out of the pipe. So a lot of charge, we found a lot of charge in this pipe. That's the reason why we couldn't reach the city sewer connection. We were roughly about 10 feet from the city sewer tie-in, but way too many turns in the pipe, so we couldn't reach it. Okay, we're out of the cleanout now. Here we go. That's our point of entrance, and this is the front of the building. Okay, I'm stopping the recording.